right here.
And then we're gonna go back?
Yep. Or do you want to go around the block one more time?
Yeah.
One more time?
Yeah.
We better drive by there and make sure your mom's not there yet. You guys washing this car? He's got an old car there.
Yeah.
Classic.
I don't remember what my mom's car's, what color it looks like.
You don't remember?
Yeah. I think it's kind of gray. I don't remember.
Gray?
Yeah. I have my dad's remember.
Silver?
No.
Nope.
I have my dad's remember. I'm kind of forgetful.
You're kind of forgetful?
Yeah. And also my dad's kind of forgetful. We're both forgetting stuff. Let's see. Nope, my mom's not there.
Nope.
Hello. Let's go one more time.
Okay. We'll stop and we'll tell him that we're going to go one more time.
Okay.
Who wants to go one more time, Dad? We'll be right back.
Yeah.
He wants to be on YouTube.
Oh, he does he? That'll be awesome.
We'll tag that in it.
Here we go.
Yes.
All right, see you guys soon. Have fun.
Make sure they're going.
Right. Here, you want me to check this one?
See a red dot on the screen?
Yes.
All right.
Yep, red dot. All right.
So they're on? Even this one's on?
Nope, I'll turn this one on. That'll
Here.
point that way.
Do you want me to grab it or you got it?
I got it.
Okay.
When that red light comes on, it's recording. Now, all
cool.
three of them are recording. We have 3 different angles on us right now.
That'll be fun. Okay. Have a great time. Look at you.
Here we go.
All right. See you guys in a
Leave
few.
that tiger up.
Have you ever been in a race car before?
No.
Nope.
Jason's like, all right.
He'll love whatever.
Hear that beep?
Yeah?
That tells you when there's somebody behind me. See that? We can see right behind us.
Cool.
It's pointing out the back that way. So if I'm backing up, I don't have to turn around. Do you feel that air conditioner?
Yeah.
Does that feel good?
I wonder what bird this feather is.
What's that?
The feather.
Looks like a blue jay feather.
Wait, it's a blue jay?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, you don't see those very often.
You don't?
I don't. Every once in a while, see a lot of robins. Robins and sparrows.
Never this one?
Every once in a while I see one of them. You ever see a cardinal? They're all red.
No. I never.
Never have?
What's that?
That's you can go
Oh, are those where the wheels go?
yep, that's right. That's a suspension. That's what you call the drivetrain.
Cool.
Shows the engine, the transmission, and that's a drive shaft. And those orange things there are the...
How do you have train stuff?
What's that?
How do you have train stuff on your vehicle?
It's a drivetrain. That's just the name of it. It's not a train.
Oh.
just a name for that stuff, all those parts. Ready to go kind of fast?
Yeah.
We'll speed up just a little bit. Ready?
Wow, you're cracking it fast.
You like that?
Yeah.
Do you hear that whistle sound?
Yeah. What does that mean? Going super fast?
That's the supercharger. That makes it go really fast.
Red light up there.
Yep.
We're turning,
Yep, we're gonna turn right here.
and then we're gonna go back.
Yep. Or we want to go around the block one more time.
Yeah.
One more time?
Yeah.
We better drive by there and make sure your mom's not there yet. You guys washing this car? He's got an old car there.
Yeah.
Classic.
I don't remember what my mom's car's what color it looks like.
You don't remember?
Yeah. I think it's kind of gray. I don't remember.
Gray?
Yeah. I have my dad's remember.
Silver?
No.
Nope.
I have my dad's remember. I'm
You-
kind of forgetful.
You're
Like
kind of
my
forgetful.
Dad. Yeah. And also my dad's kind of forgetful. We're both forgetting stuff. Let's see. Nope, my mom's not there.
Nope.
Hello. Let's go one more time.
Okay. We'll stop and we'll tell him that we're going to go one more time.
Okay.
Who wants to go one more time, Dad? We'll be right back.
Yeah. I like how it has a tiger right up.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
It's got one on both sides.
Wait, both sides?
Yep.
I saw only on this side.
It's got one right over here too. It also has one on the back.
Wait, does?
A smaller one on the back. I'll show you
When?
when we get back. I'll show you.
Okay.
And it has one right here too. I think when I start it up, and right here. I'll show you that too when we get back.
We're almost back.
Nope, not yet.
There's a
We're gonna make a left turn and then we'll go around the block. We'll go fast here.
Yay.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Oh, hey, like a green light.
Here
Yay.
we go.
That's gonna be fun. Whee.
It's kind of loud too, isn't it?
Yeah. Red light.
Yep.
And then we're gonna.
Everybody stop down there. They're getting off work and heading home. There's a lot of traffic down there.
And we're gonna turn that way.
Right here.
Yep, we're gonna turn that way.
Yes.
That way. Look, there's a bus up there. First, we're gonna turn that way. How come we can't go faster in here?
We'll do one right here. We'll do an acceleration right here, okay?
Okay,
How's that sound?
that sounds fun.
Then we'll ask your dad and Kathy if they can hear it.
What?
We'll ask your dad and Kathy if they can hear it.
And go!
Gotta make sure there's no cars coming.
Nope.
Clear?
Yep, let's
Right,
go.
ready? Well, how was it?
Could you hear it over there?
So you want to tell all the people on YouTube what you think of the Hellcat?
That was fun.
That was fun. You want to see the other tiger face now?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was fun. It is 2 times fast.
I know.
Alright.
Is that right? Is there one back here rolling? Oh, no, it's an SRT.
There's one on the front.
There's one right
One
here.
See if we can see the tiger face when I watch right here. Look at that.
I'm thinking eating out. I just need to figure out what.
Nope, didn't show it there, just there.